Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video where we spark hearts, spark joy, and speak life. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Mimi Melly, the creator of CreateKingdomPlans. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the brand new feature in GoodNotes called Elements. Yes, this is something that we have been waiting for so long, and you are going to be so excited to see all the cool things that you can do with it. So let's get started. Since we're in the month of May and summer is right around the corner, I decided to switch over to this beautiful pencil case for my Apple Pencil. It's just giving me all the summer vibes and I'm in love with it. It's so easy to install, and I'll link this down below for you guys if you're interested in my Amazon faves. Okay, now that we got our equipment ready, let's get into the Apple Store. So in the Apple Store, if you already have GoodNotes downloaded, you'll need to go back there to update it. If you already have automatic updates, this will already be ready to go for you. But if not, go back and you see where that open button is. When you click on it, it should say update. And you just click on updates and it should take about a few seconds to upload. Of course, you can read up on all the cool features that are included with Elements, but we're gonna get straight into the app, so let's go. I'm going to show you a demonstration through my Spark Hearts planner, and this is my May. So I'm going to go into my daily. This is what it's looking like, but I'm actually, since I want more space, I'm going to go into the weekly plan instead. So let's start with this page. What you want to do is make sure you're on drawing mode and click on Elements, which is this cute little star at the top. Once you click on it, you'll be able to access this feature. At the side, you see all your recent stickers, and once you click again on that little star, it'll open up your Elements. So you'll see that there's already a lot of things included. These are actually things that I've done already. So let's take a look at the sticky notes. Okay, so as I'm using the stickers, I realized that it's glitching a little bit. Oh, bless me. Sorry about that. I do have allergies. Yes, so definitely I would suggest restarting the app before even using the Elements, because you want it to make sure that it's moving smoothly and everything is working correctly. And for some reason I have a lot of apps, so I'm just going to restart them all. Oh my gosh, I have so many apps. But yes, so we're just going to remove all of them just to make sure that everything runs smoothly. So let's test again. And I'm just going to use the lasso tool to move the sticky note. And yes, it's working good and it is moving so much more smooth. Thank goodness. Okay, so definitely restart the app right after updating. Now, let's get into all the cool things that we can do. Elements is a great way to store all your stickers, all the elements, even your drawings and what you've written already, so that it's easy for you to access and easy for you to just paste and go, making it super, super simple. While we're here, I just want to remind you that I have an amazing video on how to make stickers using GoodNotes. Now, this is going to come in handy when you want to make your own elements, so definitely check that out below. I will link it in the description box. Now, the best thing about this is that you can make your own collections, just how we used to do with file folders or with the different GoodNotes sticker sheets. This is so simple. All you have to do is write in the title and start adding in your stickers. Now, I can add them from my files folders, or you can even add them from photos that you have. So this is making it even easier to store and organize. So just to start off, I'm going to make a social media collection where I'm just going to add in some of these stickers from Jay's Plans. She has the best stickers for icons and things that you need every single day. So definitely check her out. I'll link her also in the description box below. You can also use photos, as you see me doing here. I have a Facebook icon that I stored in my photos, and I'm also going to add that in, and I'm going to name this folder or this collection social media, so that I can put all my social media stickers in one place. Let me know down below in the comments how you usually store your stickers for GoodNotes. Do you use GoodNotes sticker sheets, or do you use files folders like I do? Let me know. Okay, so now let's get them into our planner. You can either drag the stickers on or just tap and it will appear onto your page. And you can resize them any way that you'd like. So this is super awesome, you guys. I am so excited. I'm just so excited. It's just so awesome. And whatever you use the most will always show up in your recents. So as soon as you click on it, you'll see it at the very top, or you'll see it in the recents section. You also have the option to share or delete an entire collection if you like, or if you don't want it anymore, you do have that option as well. And this just makes it super easy to even store things that you've drawn before. So let me show you. This is actually a sticker that was already included, or an element that was already included. And as you can see, it looks like they used the highlighting tool and the pen tool to create this math folder. So cute, you guys. You can do the same thing. So let's do that. This is just a little review on how to make stickers in GoodNotes. Definitely check that below in the description box. I have a full video on how to make your own elements and stickers. So I'm just going to use the highlighting tool and color in a little blob using the highlighting blue color. And now I'm going to use the pen tool and use a lighter color to make some lines. Now this can be used to make your own little type of sticky note. You can even make this into a PNG so that they don't move around like the other ones did. So now that I've finished, all you gotta do is use the lasso tool and tap just like you would if you wanna cut and paste, and instead click on Add Element. Once you do that, you'll be directed to another page where it asks you where you wanna add it, into what collection. So that makes it really easy for you to find and use your elements. Another super cool thing that you can do is make it side by side with your planner or your notes so that you have access to your stickers using multitasking on your iPad. Click on Elements again, and at the top right, click on the to window button, and it will open the second window with your elements inside. Now all you have to do is drag and drop from one side to the next side onto your planner or your notes. In order to make it a window that swipes to the side like I usually do, drag down at the top bar and put it on top of the first screen, which is GoodNotes. Now you can just swipe it to the side, swipe it back whenever you need it, especially when you're in portrait mode when you need the most space possible. This is super helpful. I also shared more about this tip in my last video, so I'll link that for you as well so that you can find out how to do this super quick and super easily. While you are in multitasking mode, you can still drag and drop your stickers. You can still add new elements into your collections. You can still change the title. Everything that you did in the GoodNotes app itself can also be done in this little window here at the side. Just click at the top and you have all the editing features. You can remove the stickers, you can import from your files. You can do so many different things, and I'm super excited that this has been included in GoodNotes. So before we go today, I want to show you an amazing freebie that I found, yes, at Creative Market. I will definitely be linking them down below so that you can catch these really, really awesome free goods. These goodies are super sweet, and I'm going to show them to you right now. I'm also going to show you how to add them into your elements. Let's head over to Safari. Oh yeah, I want to let you guys know I have a Patreon account. My Patreon has 3 different tiers. The first one starting at just $1 a month. Each month you get access to all my podcasts, all my devotionals, and you also get a monthly activity kit. For May, you're getting a notebook, stickers, and so much more. So definitely subscribe today. You also get access to sneak peeks of things that I'm working on for CreateKingdomPlans. The other tiers include personalized help on how to use GoodNotes if you're a beginner. It also includes how to make your own notebook and planners, and to use different apps such as Keynote, InDesign, and Affinity Publisher if you're interested. So definitely check the description box below. All right, you guys, I told you this week's freebies are sweet. These are amazing freebies. Sometimes I check the freebies out and I'm just like, it's all right. But today, they looking good. So the one that I'm really, really excited about is actually this Instagram post that you can use in Canva. You can definitely check this out too. If you're somebody who posts on Instagram a lot, this will be really useful to you. The other one that I'm really excited about is the Terrazzo kit, and it has PNG images, watercolor images. They're so gorgeous, you guys, and this is perfect to add into your elements. They also have this week beautiful fonts, so definitely check out this week. The freebies are amazing. So let's download the Greenery Terrazzo collection and start making elements. Once you have downloaded everything, go into your Recents folder and tap on the zip file. It should be the first folder at the very top after you've tapped it. When you click on it, you'll see 4 different folders with the different elements inside. They have these wonderful little florals, wreaths, and separate PNGs of each of the floral and watercolor elements. Oh my gosh, you guys, these florals are beautiful. These watercolor images are high quality and gorgeous. Now let's make it into an element. In order to make an element, you have to use your lasso tool. Using the element tool will not do anything. You have to go to your lasso tool, select the entire image, tap on it, and click add element. Now you can either place it into a collection that you already have, or you can add a new collection. And this one, I'm going to create floral. Make sure that you press on create before you leave the page. If not, nothing will be saved. So as you see here, I forgot to click on create and it did not save. So I'm gonna have to do it again later. While playing around with the Elements feature, I created 2 tips that I can share with you today. Make sure that you crop your image before adding it into your elements. That way it's already pre-cropped and ready to go. Now, when I use a lasso tool, I'm just going to tap on the inside, click on add element, and add it to a new collection. Like I said, I didn't add it before. So make sure you click on create so that it saves your collection. Now you can do the same thing and add any element super quick into your collection. Another tip that I found really useful is sizing. If you want a specific size for your stickers, create that size before adding it into your collection. So let me just show you an example. When I saved my Facebook little icons here, since they were the original image, they're huge. They're high quality, they're gorgeous, but I do have to size them down. If I want a small image, as you see my little YouTube little sticker here, I have to circle it as it is, small as it is, and add it as an element. And I'm just going to add that into my social media collection. Once I do that and I add in that image again, it stays small. And I can do the same thing with the Facebook sticker just to show you that same icon. When I add it into the collection and once I put it back into my page, it stays small as compared to the first Facebook sticker that remains big. So if you want to save a certain sizing, it will automatically save for you exactly the size that you placed it into the collection before. Alright you guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm super excited to have you here, and if you're new, welcome to the fam. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!